Hey y'all, we are continuing our power check here. We got one more thing we can run through. Previously, we plugged our power cable into the back of the bike, checking that our inner frame cable was sending power to our brake and homing, which it is. That leaves two cables left. We have our intermediate USB-C cable, which runs from our handlebar cable to our USB-C sensor board connection. We're going to disconnect that, and we're going to take our USB-C handlebar connection and go directly into the sensor board. And we're going to take a look up at the console. If this console does not power on, it's more than likely going to be your USB-C handlebar cable. If this does power on, that's more than likely going to be the intermediate USB-C cable that needs replacement. If you've done both things, you should more than likely see power on your console. You have completed power troubleshooting steps with Aaron. I hope that you have a great day and you get back up and riding soon.